Hey guys, how's it going? Back again with another video. Today I'm going to be looking at the Aukey Basics Pro Series 20,000 milliamp hour wireless charging power bank. This is something that I wanted to make a little video on because it's the everyday knickknacks that are just, something near and dear to me. I love having neat little microfiber cloths and things like that. So if you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. So let's get this thing open. Alright, so this is going for $45 on Amazon, and something to compare it to, this is a first gen Samsung portable wireless charger. This retailed at, I believe, $49.99. This is $49.99 as well, but if you apply a $5 coupon, you get it for $45. So I would like to compare it to this because this has been my daily driver before I got this. But without further ado, let's get it opened up. Got a nice little user manual. It's like a 24-month guarantee warranty. Oh wait, okay, that's pretty neat. So you guys wanted to take a look at that. Neato. Got a little win a tech box thingamajig if you create content. So who knows, maybe I'll be able to send this video to Aukey and then be able to unbox more cool Aukey stuff for you guys. So already I can tell this thing has a considerable weight to it, which is very good. It does have, 20,000 milliamp hours of battery in it, and that is not going to be light. Ooh-wee. Okay, let's see what that says here. Pull out the stand arm until it clicks in place. Okay. Alright, do I have to take off the sticker first? I will say, if you don't have nails like I do, then getting underneath this thing is going to be a little bit of a hassle. But I have the technology to get us through this, so let's see how this goes. Oh yeah, that was really in there. I don't know if that was just breaking the seal for the first time kind of deal, but ooh, there's that click. That sounds super sturdy. Okay, let's see if it's easier this time around. That thing is in there. I wonder how, unless you have a guitar pick like that, how you're supposed to get that off if you don't have nails. But listen to that. Watch. And then that seems like that can take a lot of weight, and it has the little front slidey thingamajig here, so you could place your phone on that, and we'll get to that in a second. So it looks like we got another little surprise down here. That's probably gonna be your little USB types whatever charging cable. Okay, let's see what we got here. Looks like a USB type A to type C charging cable. It's a nice little short one, so easy to travel with and whatnot. Pretty sweet. And over here you have your power delivery in and out, so you can charge with this, and you can, okay, well I guess it's going to charge either way, but you could charge this with this and then output a charge with this. That is one thing I didn't like about this. The only thing that you could charge out of was this type A port. The type C was only for charging this device. Right, looks like we got a little button here. That little button is going to tell you the percentage of the battery. It looks like it came with 78% juice, and that also initiates the wireless charging. Again, letting you know that it's 78% full versus pushing this and seeing like lights. Like, I get it, each light is like 25%, but having a very accurate depiction of how much you got is pretty sweet in my book. And I'm really curious if there's like some kind of trick or something that I'm missing with this, but I just feel like my thumbnail is going to peel off if I try that a little hard. So just gotta make sure I got a guitar pick on me. Every guitar should, and then just boop. Yeah, maybe that'll loosen up a little bit more over time. But let's see. So let's test out the wireless charging, because that is like one of the coolest features that is on this device here. So if you didn't notice me fiddling with this little stand, and this front portion right here is okay, me fiddling with that little portion right here is for the capabilities for you to say watch YouTube videos and whatnot, and it is in a neat little kickstand mode. So let me push the button and let's see what we got. And wireless charging is a go. It also says fast wireless charging, so for this it could wireless charge your Samsung devices, I believe 10 watts, your iPhone 7.5, your little accessories, it will charge up to 5 watts, like the Galaxy Buds here. And as you can see, I have the Samsung rugged case on this, which is a pretty thick case. So if your case works with any other kind of wireless charger, then it should definitely work with this one. And so you can see that is a very thick case. It worked just fine. Let me throw that back on here. Now let's see how this works with our accessories. So does it charge our little buds here? Oh, that it does. I don't know if you could see the little red light, but it is working. Now it will automatically shut off if it senses that there is not a device on it between like a certain amount of time. I'm not entirely certain what it is. One thing that I wish this had, that this does have though, is that little circle charges your Galaxy Watch. At this time, I don't know of any kind of power banks that actively charge an Apple Watch. That's some kind of technology Apple keeps to themselves. They didn't make their watch like Qi wireless standard for whatever reason. But let's see if it will work with my watch. And it looks like it doesn't work, which isn't that big a deal, especially with something like this. Like, it was pretty neat that I could charge it on the back of this, but as soon as you bump it, then you're not going to get that charge because it's not making full contact. So if I have to carry around the little charging cable that goes along with this, then so be it. I'm just happy that I can get 20,000 milliamp hours in such a small case. So just a comparison, it really does kind of take up the same amount of space as the Samsung charger. It is considerably heavier, but that's just something that you kind of get with the deal of having that much power in such a small package. So I will leave this in the description below. It won't be an affiliate link or anything like that because I just don't know how to do that yet, and I'm just covering this because it's something that I like and I think it's something that you guys would like too. But if you have any kind of questions or anything like that, please leave it down below, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later.